Hi dears, good morning. Welcome to our online maths class. All of you are ready to learn maths? Is it right? Yeah. Where is your notebook? It's with you? Take your notebook and pencil with you. Also take your workbook and content book also. Okay. Taken? Ready. Today we are going to learn a new block. A new block. What is the block? Which block is that? It's block 4. Block 4. It's adding and subtracting 2-digit numbers. In our block 3, that is in previous block, we learned adding and subtracting using a hundreds chart. Is it? This is another method. It is same adding to 2-digit numbers, but we are using another 2 methods. Today we are going to learn adding using 2 other methods, that are expanded form method and column method. Expanded form. Have you heard of expanded form, children? Have you heard? Yeah. In block 1 we studied the expanded form of 4-digit numbers. Is it? 4-digit numbers we studied now. What is the expanded form? It is the sum of the values of digits in a number. Expanded. The number is becoming expanding. That we studied for 4-digit numbers. But here we are doing the expanded form of 2-digit numbers. So it is so easy and we are going to add. So let us see how to do that. Okay. Our lesson 1 is adding by expanding. Adding by expanding. Okay. Consider one example. Let us see some example. 51 plus 31. This is a 2-digit number and 31 is also a 2-digit number. Then children, how to do this using expanded form? First we have to write the expanded form of 51. Then we have to write the expanded form of 31. Okay. 51 equal to, what is the expanded form? What is the expanded form? This is in ones place. This is in tens place. So, how many tens are there? 5 tens. So, we can write 50. This is 50 plus 1. This we studied before in our second standard. So, it is easy. 51 is equal to 50 plus 1 because 5 is in tens place. And 31, how can we write? You write in your notebook 31. 30 plus 1. Okay. Then what is the next step? We have to add these 2 numbers. These sides we have to add first. Then how many ones are here? It's 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay. Then what is 50 plus 30? You add the 5 and 3. What is 5 plus 3? It is 8. And put this 0. So we have 80. Then we got the answer 80 plus 2. We got the answer in an expanded form. So we have to convert it into a number. That is 80 plus 2 is equal to, it's definitely 82. It's so easy, na? Yeah, easy. Next, we can consider another example. 36 plus 43. How to write 36? It is equal to 30 plus 6. 36 is 30 plus 6. That is the expanded form of 36. Then 43, how to write? It is 40 plus 3. Then we are going to add these two numbers. How to add, children? First you add the ones. Don't add the tens first. First add the ones. Then what is 6 plus 3? It is 9. Then put a 0 here. What is 30 plus 40 is here. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 30 plus 40 is 70. What is this 70 plus 9? It is equal to 79. Consider another example. (26 plus 47). 26 plus 47. You write in your notebook. You started to write. First you write the block 4, then heading, adding and subtracting 2-digit numbers. Then write the lesson 1. It's adding by expanding. Then do these two problems in your notebook. Okay. Then 26 plus 47. How to write? 26 is equal to 20 plus 6. Then 47 equal to 40 plus 7. Then what is the next step? You add the ones. 6 plus 7. How to add 6 plus 7? 6 you keep in your mind. You can take 7 fingers in your hands, or you can put the 7 lines. Then you have to add it. Okay, anyway you can do. Then what is 6 plus 7? That addition of 1-digit numbers we studied before in our first standard and second standard. What is 6 plus 7? 6 plus 7 is 13. So we have to write here 13. Then what is 20 plus 40? It is put a 0 here. 2 plus 4 is 6. We got an answer 60 plus 13. Then we know that in ones place 2-digit number will not come. Then what we have to do? We have to write the expanded form of this 13. What is the expanded form of 13? 13 is equal to 10 plus 3. Then this answer is 60 plus 10 plus 3. Understood? How got 60 plus 10 plus 3? We wrote the expanded form of 13. That is 10 plus 3. So this answer becomes 60 plus 10 plus 3. That is, we regrouped this 10 to here. Ones place there are 13 ones are there. 13 ones is equal to 10 tens plus 3 ones. Okay. 13 ones is equal to 10 tens plus 3 ones. Understood? Then what is the answer now? What we have done, 13, this tens we took to here in tens place. 60, we can add these numbers. The 13 is split into 10 plus 3, and this 10, actually it is in ones place. We regroup the tens to what we did? We regrouped. Regroup. Regroup means this regroup the tens to tens place. Actually it was in ones place, that is regrouped it into tens place, and then add, we get 70 plus 3. What is 70 plus 3? That is 73. Okay. Then we can learn the next method. That is adding using column method, that is lesson 2. Adding using column method. Children, suppose in our class, if the number of boys and number of girls are given and it is asked to find out the total number of students in your class, what you have to do? What you will do? You will add, no? Definitely you will add, and we got the total. What is the answer we got after the addition? What is we called that? It is called sum, S-U-M, that we studied in our last block. Sum. Okay, addition, the answer we got after addition is called sum. Then adding using column method. Column method also we studied. It is, I think it is a little bit easier than expanded form. If it is asked you to add two numbers, you can use any two methods. Any method you can use, the expanded form or column method, or any method you can use. But if it is asked to add using expanded form, if it is asked you to specifically to add in expanded form, then that time you should do the expanded form. Okay, so usually which method is easier, that you can follow, but you should study both the methods. And column method, in column method what we will do, that we studied in class 2. Yeah, we separate or we arrange the numbers as their place values, that is tens and ones, we arrange them as their place value. We can consider one example. 17 plus 22. 17 plus 22. How to do this? First we have to write the tens. Okay? Then ones. In 17, how many tens are there? 1. Write it here. And how many ones are here? 7. In 22, how many tens are there? 2. Then how many ones are there? 2. Okay? If you want, you can put it in a column. That's why it is called a column method. And the total we can write it here. What is 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2 is what? It's 9. Put the sign of plus here. Then what is 1 plus 2? It is 3. So our answer is 39. It's easy? Yes. We can do one more example. 25 plus 33. You separate the tens and ones. Tens, ones. That is 2 is here and 5 is here. For 25, 2 is here and 5 is here. And for 33, here it is 3. Here it is 3. How many ones are in 33? 3 ones and 3 tens. Okay, then we have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then what is 2 plus 3? That is 5. So our answer is 58. Okay, let us consider one more example. Third question. 38 plus 44. Consider this. 38 plus 44. So we have to separate the tens and ones. Draw a column. Here is 38 for 3 tens and 8 ones. It has 4 tens and 4 ones. Then put the plus here. What is 8 plus 4? What is 8 plus 4? How you are doing? Put 8, the bigger number you keep in your mind, and the number 4 you take in your hand. As a finger, or you can put lines, 4 lines you can put. Okay, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 8 plus 4 we got as 12. So which number we will write here? We know the ones place only one digit we have to write, not for 2 digits. So which number we will write here? 2 or 1? Definitely we have to write the 2, that is in ones place. So this 2 I am going to write here. Then where we will write this 1? Put here plus 1 in tens place. Plus 1. Plus 1 is here. Then we add in tens place, we add these numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. Then 4 plus 4, 8. So our answer is 82. Okay. Understood? We can consider another example. $59 plus 60. 33. 59 plus 33. Then write the column. Tens you write here, ones you write here. Then for 59, 5, 9. And for 33, 3 tens, 3 ones are there. Then we have to add. Then first we start from ones. Don't do the tens first. First start from ones. Add 9 plus 3. 9 you keep in your mind. 3 you take in your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have to write here 12 we got. Again we got 12. 12. So which number we have to write? 2 or 1? It is 2. Then where to write this one? We have to write it here. Plus 1 we are adding here. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Children, every time the regrouping, we have to do the regrouping? No. When to do the regrouping? When to do the regroup? That is, in ones place, if we get 2-digit number, if the ones place numbers are added, ones place digits are added, and we got a 2-digit number, then that time we should regroup that tens. The number at the tens place we should regroup to tens. Okay? Clear? Then children, take your content book, page number 23. Then practice question. One question I am going to read in lesson 2. Ria and Rahan added 24 and 10. 24 and 10. And Ria got 34 as the answer. And Rahan got 25 as the answer. Who got the correct answer? How can we find out? We can do it by column method. So 24 plus 10 you do, and you find out what is the answer you are getting. Is it 24 or 25, and whose answer was right? That is, Rehan's or Ria's answer was correct. That you check. Okay? Then take your workbook, children. Take their workbook. It's so easy. Workbook is so easy. The first one, S1, is the page number 17. S1 is about adding by expanding. So 17 is equal to 110 plus how many ones? It's definitely 7 ones. Like that you can do the 87 also. Then add the numbers using expanded form. It is asked to do by expanded form. So you have to do that method, expanded form. There are two columns, 52 plus 37's answer you do with using expanded form of 52 and the expanded form of 37, and you add the numbers. Then 45 plus 29, similarly you do. And one story problem is there. Annie had 22 marbles and Sunil had 17 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? All is asked. If in a question, in a story problem, what is the total? What is in all is asked that time. We should add that two numbers. If total or all together is asked, we should add that two numbers. Add using expanded form. It is asked to specifically how to add. Expanded form method is asked. So you add the numbers 22. 22 how to write? 20 plus 2. And 17 is 10 plus 7. Okay. Can you do it? Okay. The next page, page number 18. Find the sum. 20 added to 41. Question number 1. A. 20 added to 41 means 20 plus 41. Okay. Then 30 more than 64. What does it means? 30 plus 64. Then find the sum using column method. What is sum? The answer we got after addition. So 34 plus 15 is there. That is by using column method. So you separate the tens and ones and add. Okay. Then the last question. A library had 76 novels and 22 comic books. How many books are there in the library in total? In total is asked. So we should add those two numbers, 76 and 22. You have to add. Okay, children, it's a time to wind up. Let me sign out. Bye. Thank you.